everyone, here we are at the Dollar Tree, and okay, the book section is not looking very organized, but let's see what I can show you. All right, so this location usually is very organized, so I don't know. Okay, so this book here is the Lip Gloss Chronicles. I don't know why that makes me laugh. Okay, so the Bibles are usually on the top. These are the handheld ones in the white and the black, and sometimes in the back, I don't even know if you could see them. They have the bigger ones. And then these are the notepads. So these are nice because they actually have scripture verses on them. These would be nice in a basket. Okay, do all you do to the glory of God. And I don't want to take the box down to see if they're different ones. Next to that, they have these binders, which is normally over there by the school stuff. So let's just work with it. I think we can find new stuff. Okay, so this one here is the Lip Gloss Chronicles. So I'm just going to place that on the side there. Let's see what they have. So this one's called Waist Tide. Okay, Waist Tide. And Hunting Season. And then we have How Do You Score That Gig? Okay. And we'll just kind of move them around. And that's the same book. So we'll just move these back. Now, this one here says the invitation only zone. So let's see. That's that one. Okay, and then they have this one. Listen, Liberal, Thomas Frank. Then they have this one, the Hunting Season. All right, we saw that one. Okay, the Spartan Way. That's this one. Okay. And then this one's called the Red Copper Scaly Cooking Book. You get some nice cooking books here. So that one's called the Hunting Season. This one is Slow Medicine. Let's see that one. Slow Medicine. Okay, and then that bottom one there says Thomas, Listen, Liberal. Okay, so sometimes, almost all the time, they mix in the kids' books with the adult books. This is like one of those books that go in a card. I like those. So here's a chicken soup one that's called American Heroes. So I showed you those. In the process, we wind up organizing them anyway. So here's some more of those Lip Chronicles. Here's another one. Here's another chicken soup that says, Say Goodbye to Back Pain. Okay. And then these two, I think, are the same. Let's see. Oh, the Baby Bump Twins. Those I've showed before. That's a nice book. Then this one here is 3D Body Revolution. I think that's a nice book. This one is Anti-Hero by Jonathan Wood. Okay, Lina. Did I ever see this one? This one's called Ponte. Charlene T.O. Ponte. A novel. Okay, then this one here. Cappy King and Pickle Caper. And this one says 150 gluten-free family favorites. That's a nice book. They're taped over so you can't see how much the book was going for. And then these are the Fruit of the Spirit books. I love this one. This is Self-Control. These are so nice. So we have this one. And then these two are the same. So Discoveries in the Overworld. Okay. And then this one is new. Desperate Decisions. Alright, let's try standing those up. Invitation Zone. And this one is Listen, Liberal. Over here, the kids' book. So let's see what this is. This one says play nice. I like that. That's so cute. This one says keep trying. This blue one, they go by color. So this one says play nice. And then this green one is, oh, how cute. Say please. Like I said, the kids' books are all mixed in with the adult books. So I like those. Those are really cute books. Here's another Fruit of the Spirit. This one is on peace. And some more of the kids' books. I'm not sure what this is. Okay, Simply Sweets. And that one we saw, and this is a calendar. Okay, so if we come down a little lower, let me see, I don't even know where to start. Let me try to move these books over. Okay, so this one says say sorry. Aw, I like those. Okay, this one is the arrival of the missives. I hope I said that right. Here's another Fruit of the Spirit, self-control. And then, what should I do with my life? Here's mocktails and cocktails made simple. Summer cooking made simple. Salads. Okay, I showed you this one. Let's see. You, your child, and school. That's interesting, that one. Chicken soup. Just for teenagers, stories about liking yourself. I think that's a nice book. Then this one is summer cooking made simple. So let's see. This is the chicken soup one on the back pain. And we got this one. This one looks new. West. The Redemption of Gale and Pike. Then you have that one. I showed you that one already. And this one, Angel Thieves. This book here is the one on salad. And this one is the family favorites, the gluten-free. Here is the chicken soup one. It says, say hello to a better body. And some more of these. Keep trying. So we'll put that up there. Then catch of the day. Cookout made simple. Another one of those card books. We saw this one. Simple Sweets. Simply Sweets. Summer cooking. And this one is seafood. That looks delicious. Cookout made simple. Cooking for kids. That's a good book. So we'll start a new pile over here. Mocktails, cocktails, salads. Okay, and this one is seafood. So they have a lot of these cooking books. I think those are really nice. This one, Carter's Unfocused One Track Mind. Wine Country, that's a planner. Okay, so mocktails, cocktails. I may as well start a new pile. Summer cooking. And discoveries in the older world. And this one, You and Me and Why We Are in Love. Aww. Okay. This one is Girls Fairy Tales. Wonder if they have, I'm looking for a specific one. Okay, story. Here's the kittens in the cafe. Piggy's Big Surprise. Inside the Maze Runner. The Guide to the Grave. Somebody put glue dots here. Modern Grandparenting. Okay. Cooking for kids, that's good. That's a good book. Grilling, that's nice. And then, what do we have here? We read those. These are more kid books. This one says Groom, what the groom should know. Stuff every groom should know. Okay. Everyday Miracles. I like that. Here's another one of the books that you put in an envelope. Like these are like mail books. They're so nice. Teenagers. And then this one is kind of always here. Teddy and Me. Okay. So in this box here, looks like they have some loose leaf paper, some more Fruit of the Spirit. Let me see. Some more of these books that go in the cards. And some loose leaf paper and some writing. Okay. So over here they have the hunting season, harpoon, Victoria Sweet, slow medicine. Okay, some more of these kids' book. This one says play nice. This is the hunting season, so those are 3 of those. This one we saw. What is this? Girlish. Okay. And this is that book of fairy tales. So I need to look at this book. And then what are these? These are more kids' books. And so that one says say sorry. And then this one is the Billy Crystal book. Still fooling them. Say sorry. Okay. This one is hunting season. More of a fairy tale book. And what is this? Nursery rhymes. Okay. That one over there is more of the Billy Crystal. And these are more of the nursery rhymes. So, if we come down here, these look like magic water painting. So we got a bunch of those. That's what all of these over here are. And you just move them over here. You have that giant coloring book. There's another one of these harpoon books. I'll just place it up there. And then they have this Listen Liberal. I just don't want to miss anything for you guys. These are the large coloring pads or art pads. And then this is good for practicing, you know, your alphabet and writing. Giant coloring books. And let me see what else they have down here. These are stickers. Okay. And then they have this one. This may be new. Okay, so they have 2 of those. And then they have some more of these. The Little Mermaid. And some more coloring books. Those are Marvel the Avengers and Toy Story. That's pretty cool. Okay, so here, hanging right in front of all this stuff. This is a notebook. This is cute for your purse, a backpack. Here's some stickers. I made it on time. Taxes tackled. Didn't get fired. Here's some more glue dots. Some Cover It by Bic. And then they have some more of these nursery rhyme in the plastic. These are plastic. Family and Friends, Sesame Street. And what is that one? Make some noise. And then this one, Elmo. Let's Get Clean. Those are cute. So that's what they have here. And then if we go a little bit further down, we're gonna see the giant books. Let me see this, Peppa Pig, the giant coloring books. We have that one, Noah. So we have this one. How cute. These are stickers, and then they have landforms and weather. So they have storybooks and coloring books, nighttime bedtime stories, Zechariah, so they do have some Bible stories, chicken soup. That selection there is all Bible stories. I'm just going to kind of scan that for you because it's all kind of mixed in together. So you have even your learning books, your phonics books, your puzzle books, your activity books, and your Disney books. And it just looks like so much fun. Look, they have one of the Fruits of the Spirit on goodness right here. That belongs over there. So it's all kind of mixed up, and I don't want to knock stuff over. They have the crossword puzzles, the Sudoku, yeah, spelling puzzles. So that's pretty much it. So guys, thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree just to check out their little book section and more. And I'll see you guys in the next video.